Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Akmal Khan.
And I'm Geeta Balan. Today we will present our project on long-term temperature trends at Dublin Airport.
We used historical data from Met Erin.
And about our research question, it was how have maximum and minimum temperatures changed at Dublin Airport over time?
We choose the dataset because it has more than 80 years of daily temperature records, which is perfect for studying long-term trends. Now moving on to the next slide, which is data overview. The dataset contains around 30,620 daily observations from year 1942 to 2025.
And for this project, we mainly used three columns: the date, the maximum temperature, and the minimum temperature.
Now, coming on to the fourth slide, which is cleaning and processing. So, to prepare the data, we remove the metadata lines at the top of the file and clean the column names.
We then converted the date into the proper datetime format, changed all the values into numbers, and removed invalid rows.
Also, after that, we calculated years average and also used a 5 years rolling average to make the trend smoother.
And this is the sketch we made before creating the final graph.
So, it shows our idea like two lines for maximum and minimum temperature, gray yearly values in the background, and a highlighted last decade. So moving forward to our next slide, which is why a line chart. We used a line chart because it clearly shows changes over time.
And it allows us to compare maximum and minimum temperatures easily on the same graph. And this is the final visualization.
So the gray line shows the raw yearly temperatures,
The red and blue lines show the 5-year average, which helps us see the long-term trend.
we also highlighted the last 10 years to show how recent temperatures have changed. So, moving forward with our next slides, which is findings. So, we found that both maximum and minimum temperature have increased over the past 80 years.
And the warming becomes much more noticeable from the 1990s onward.
The most recent decade is the warmest in the entire data set.
And there are some limitations, and these are only are from one weather station, so it doesn't show the whole country's weather reports.
And also, some old data sets are has missing the values.
So we are planning in future so that we could combine multiple stations or include other weather factors such as rainfall and so on.
So, moving forward with our 10th slide, which is tools and references. So, we use Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Jupyter Notebook.
And the whole data set came from Met Iran thanks to the Ireland government.
Thank you for
Thank you for
listening.
listening.
This was our PPT. Bye.
Yeah, let's just stop sharing and stop